my beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be about this perm rod set here. I did my first official perm rod set on my Sisterlocks Braidlocs Twistlocs and I am in love. I love them. They are a little tight, which I'm like, I cannot wait till they drop. I thought about, putting rubber bands at the root so that they can stretch, but I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna wear the Shirley Temple look for a day, for today, and then tomorrow I'll stretch it out. But for today, get into it. Like, these curls are popping, okay? They are really popping. I'm excited. I'm going to insert a picture here. This is what my hair looks like when I do my loose natural perm rod set. That's cute too. This cute. I would say they one and the same. You get the same vibes. So this is one of the hairstyles that I wanted to try to make sure that my hair looked the same or somewhat the same when I did my loose natural and my locked hair. You get it? So since I'm feeling this look, I could check perm rod set off my list. I know my hair would be bomb in a perm rod set. And you always got the little crazy ones down here that be doing whatever they want to do, but it is what it is. But they are so, like, it's nice. And when I tell you the separation was a breeze, as you see later on in the video, the separation of these is a lot easier when lock natural than a loose natural. When you're loose natural, you got to take each into one, twirl it, take each into one, twirl it, twirl it, twirl it. These, you take your fingers and you rub and you rub. That's all I'm saying. Like, this has been amazing, and it dried pretty simple. I did sit underneath my hooded dry for about a good 30 minutes just so that when I went to sleep, that it would be completely dry for the morning, because I did this kind of late. So I'm going to do a 360 and then we out of here. All right, let's get into how I achieved this look. My hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair with some apple cider vinegar and some neutralizing shampoo. So I am all clean. As you can see, I have dried my hair. It's about 20% damp. So I have to re-wet it a little bit just to give it some wetness. What I'm using today is the Esther QP olive oil and mango butter design foam. I'm going to be using this on pretty much like the ends of the locks, not pretty much the roots. I don't want to get this on my roots. I'm not sure how this is going to react. I do have some Nature Pure Hold and Shine Moisturizing Mist with coconut oil and shea butter. I'm just going to be using this as my, like a mister, pretty much to damp my hair, because my hair is pretty dry. So I'm going to use that to mist it, and then I'm going to style it with this. I'm not too sure on the rules when it comes to locks and products. I know you're not supposed to use any butters, creams. I can't use any of that stuff, but I think I can use this. I think this is pretty safe. This is not heavy. It shouldn't weigh down. It's pretty lightweight. So hopefully this is pretty good for Sisterlocks. Comment below if you think I should not be using this and I should just be using water. Shoot, I probably shouldn't be using this, but the ingredients are pretty natural, straightforward. It's coconut oil and shea butter. I mean, can't beat that. So let's just jump right into it. I feel like I need a freaking retie like today, y'all. My appointment is so far away that I don't know what to do. Alright. This section seems a little too big for what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's see. So, first you grab your spray. Spray it up. It's nice and wet, damp. Grab your foam. I'm only going to use about that much. Whoa. And again, I told you I'm only going to put it on like the end parts. I'm using the purple rollers. Make sure the ends of the hair is under the twist. Not the twist, under the roller. If that makes any sense. Boom. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now I'm rolling them straight up. I'm not doing like a spiral roll. That's typically how I do my loose, natural hair. I just roll it straight up. I don't do the spiral rolls, but I am going to try to see if there's a difference in the two. Okay, so watch again. Alright guys, you reached the end of this video, and as you can see, this perm rod set came out super cute. It's just like loose natural. It's really tight the first day. Hopefully as the days go on, they loosen up and drop and give me a little bit more body. You know, the shrinkage or the tightness of them make them look like I have no hair at all. The Shirley Temple curls is real, okay? But get into the definition of these curls, like them perm rods have really outdid themselves, okay? And this is straight out of the bed for y'all, okay? I literally just got out the bed, took my rollers out, and boom. Now I'm about to go get ready for work. So this is the end of the video. Without further ado, you know what time it is. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.